Yo, what up, guys? My name is Osaze Kevin King, and I'm the founder of SabiMentors.com. So, I make good money online by designing simple sales funnels. Sometimes I make as high as 500k to 1 million naira in a single month from designing simple sales funnels. Don't worry, I will log into my laptop and show you proof of how I've made multiple thousands of dollars and multiple millions of naira from designing sales funnels. Alright, so let's dive right into my laptop while I show you that proof. Okay, let's go there. Okay guys, so as you can see, this is one of my Fiverr accounts. As you can see, this account has made over 10,000 US dollars. If I reload now, you see everything remains the same. All right, I'll go to another account now and show you another earnings. Right, so as you can see, this account has made close to 8,000 US dollars. As you can see, reloading, you can see everything remains the same. I even have about 392 to withdraw. I can simply click on withdraw now and I will get paid to my Pioneer account. So guys, sales funnel design is a very paying skill, guys. Let's go there. So now that you have seen that what I'm talking about is correct, all right, what if there was a simple to follow step-by-step video training that will teach you how to design brilliant and high converting sales funnels in minutes? I mean sales funnels that will boost your business exponentially, sales funnels that clients will gladly pay you handsomely for. Now, not just that, what if I also give you the premium tools to achieve this result? What if I also give you the support you need? Would you be interested in something like this? If yes, then I have created that program for you today. All you have to do to get access is to simply click the link below this video or anywhere around this video to learn more about that course and decide if it's a good fit for you. All right, but I can assure you the skill of sales funnel design is a very high paying skill. With that skill, you can sell out your product massively online. You can sell your product while you sleep. You can design funnels for clients and get paid handsomely for it. See guys, the skill of sales funnel design is a must have for you if you are interested in doing online business or digital marketing, as the case may be. So my course is one of the best sales funnel design training I've seen from this part of the world. All right, with over 500 students so far, you cannot imagine the value you are going to get inside that course. So if you are interested in having a high-paying digital skill such as sales funnel design, then my course is the best option for you guys, because I have been designing sales funnels for more than 8 years now. And in this course, I'm going to learn my tricks, my tips and strategies, and also get my support. All right, so you go ahead and enroll for this course, and I can't wait to see you on the inside, guys. One love and peace out.